or constant. So from what we found on the previous example or in the previous problem, this is, or from the previous question, this is going to be plus 5 minus 15 plus the new plus the new force equals to 0. So this new force is going to be equals to plus 5. Okay, now for example 3 or problem 3, let's write out the equations for both masses or blocks. Okay, first equation is going to be T, which is the tension, minus m1 times gravity equals m1 times the acceleration, and then the second equation, m2 times g minus the tension equals m2 times the acceleration. This is given the second law of motions, which is the sum of the forces acting on the object is going to be equals to the mass times the acceleration. Okay, let's assume the mass of object 1 is 10 kilos and mass of object 2 is 100 kilos. Let's find the acceleration of both objects so we can find the tension. Okay. To find the acceleration, we need to combine these two formulas first. And that will be as follows. Minus m1g equals, the tensions will cancel out, equals to m1 plus m2 times the acceleration. This is the same as if we were to say mass of 2 minus mass of 1 times the gravity equals to mass of 1 times plus mass of 2 equals the acceleration. These two equations are the same. Okay, so let's find the acceleration of the system. Acceleration is equals to, acceleration is equals to m2 minus m1 gravity times the over m1 plus m2. So now we just plug in the values into the equation, which is 100 minus 10 all that times 10 over 110. The acceleration is going to be equals to 8.18. Okay, so given the acceleration, let's find the tension for block 1. Tension of block 1 is going to be equals to the mass of the object times the gravity plus mass of the object times the acceleration of the object. So T1 equals to, what's the mass of the object? We said it was 10 times 10 plus 10 times the acceleration, which is 8.18. So the tension for object 1 is going to be equals to, tension is going to be equals to 181.8. Now let's proceed to find tension of 2. M2 times G plus M2 times the acceleration. Tension of 2 is equals to 100 times 10 plus 100 times 8.18. So the tension of the object 2 is going to be equals to 1,818. So for example 4,